Try the crumbs.
Yeah.
Better than juicy US.
I'm not going to juice it too much trouble, but taste right still a broad lock. Well, let me not say that. Salt broad lock because Charlie's
Yeah.
is still a piece.
I can't saltfish patty. Johnny's eating a shrimp patty. You
And there's actual real shrimp in there.
fancy it?
I don't know if you can pick that up, but that's like an actual shrimp. It's not like
We showing off, so look at mine them. Yes. All right. I'm gonna show you the location. My partner in crime. What was he just doing? Yeah, look at this lake. This is a lake.
Like if we was in like some like post-apocalyptic time or like way back in the day and I came up to this, I wouldn't know we didn't reach the ocean. I'd be like, yo, this is the ocean. Because like, yeah, you can see over there, right? But like, I wouldn't know.
It looks
Like
rough.
going that way, I would
Yeah.
know that that would open out to the sea.
You think this is the big old blue sea?
And then that person that buys it for 1.2, what they gonna do? When does the bottom fall?